Dentists don't want me to tell you this. Here are my top 5 natural secrets for taking care of your teeth. Number 1. If you have a toothache, make a mouthwash with cloves. This natural antiseptic has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that will relieve your pain. Number 2. If you have yellow teeth, sprinkle a little baking soda on your damp toothbrush and brush gently for 2 minutes. Baking soda helps to remove stains and make your teeth naturally whiter. Number 3. If you have a cavity, dilute a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of lukewarm water, and use this mixture as a mouth rinse after brushing your teeth. Number 4. If you have apathy, rinse your mouth with salt water. Mix 2 teaspoons of salt in a glass of lukewarm water and rinse your mouth several times a day. And the last. If your gums hurt, make an infusion of sage and rinse your mouth with it. Sage leaf infusion reduces irritation caused by sore gums. Subscribe to discover more.